Hello! Today we're going to be talking about two webcams. I'm going to compare them side by side and tell you which one I like more. We're going to talk about features, we're going to talk about how they look, we're going to talk about how they sound in terms of the microphone. Let's get into it. Are you ready? I got one called the OBSBot Meet 2. OBSBot. And then I got EMEET Piko Plus. Looks like a little robot. You see these guys? These are the ones I'm going to compare. They're both cool webcams. I'm going to tell you which one I like better. All right, let's get into it a little bit. Let's talk a little bit about the mounts first. Let's start with this guy. You see this one? It's pretty simple. It like hangs onto your laptop. It clips onto it there. You use this to adjust. You see that? And there's a magnet and it sticks on there, which is pretty cool, but it doesn't screw in here. No screwing into that. It's just a magnet. And it has this other magnet thing to cover it up. So it's nice. See that? Boom. Then we got the Piko Plus, dude. Look at this guy. I like this because look here. You can screw that in and secure it. Oh, yeah. I like that. And this can also be adjusted. It's similar to the other one in that way. Boom. And look at that. Look at that's amazing. It's like I'm a robot, but now I'm a panda with sunglasses. That's amazing. All right, this looks really cool. It's cute. Sleek, cute. Sleek, cute. Boom. All right, let's talk a little bit about the features now. So they both shoot in 4K, which is good. But what's cool about the Piko Plus is it has dual camera system. Okay, and it also, with the software, it uses this AI to like analyze your face and the surroundings, changing the exposure and the contrast so that it looks good. It's pretty cool, pretty advanced stuff. So the OBSBot looks good, but it's just kind of simple and there's not as many features and stuff that you can play around with. And with the software, it's kind of a similar deal. Like the EMEET Piko Plus, there's a lot more control and things that you can tweak, in the software. But OBSBot, it's just kind of more simple and straightforward for, people that don't want to change too much. They just want to start and do it. But if you want to tweak stuff and have a lot of different options and have cool advanced technology, I think the EMEET is pretty interesting.
All right, now we're going to do a focus test. This is the OBSBot Meet 2. I'm waving my hand in front of my face to see how it affects the focus. It gets a little blurry and then it focuses and then it kind of zooms in and out to follow my face. I don't really love this feature that much. It's kind of weird. If I move around, it just kind of zooms in and out, and I'd rather it just stay still and just be in focus all the time. But here it's good. It's not moving around. It's staying in focus when I move my head side to side, so that's good. All right, now I'm going to do a test with the EMEET Piko Plus. So I was waving my hand in front of my face, and it was staying pretty much in focus. I'm moving back and forth, and it's not doing that weird zoom in and out thing. It's just staying completely in focus no matter where I move, which is great. So moving side to side, moving my head from side to side as well. It's all just really well focused. All right, here's the OBSBot Meet 2. This is low light. It looks very dark here. But when we go to the EMEET Piko Plus, the same lighting, it looks a lot brighter and clearer.
This is the OBSBot audio test. The OBSBot only has one audio mode. Okay, and this is the test right now. All right, that's it. That's the test. All right, now we're going to do the audio test for the EMEET Piko Plus.
It has 3 different modes, so let's try it out. This is the original mode, the normal audio. Let's switch now to noise canceling. This is the noise canceling version. Then we have live mode. Okay, so live mode suppresses steady state noise, applies automatic gain control, and eliminates ambient device noise.
All right. Now, I'm going to give you my final thoughts. I'm going to tell you what I think, which one I think you should buy, which one I like more. Okay? Let's look at them. OBSBot. This one is cool. It has cool features. It's simple, straightforward. If you want to just plug it in and just get started, it's cool. But it's $130 on Amazon. This one, $85, the EMEET Piko Plus, $85. And it has all these cool features, the AI stuff, the different audio modes, the dual camera system. And it's cheaper. And it looks like a panda, dude. It looks cool aesthetically. It's awesome. More features, cheaper. So yeah, I would recommend this one over this one. Just like the price is a big deal. The features this one has, and it looks cute. So I recommend this one. So go on Amazon and buy it and try it out for yourself. I think you'll like it.